Hey guys, let's see how to add a smart light bulb to the Apple Home app. You see that I have it working. I can just come here in control, turn it off, turn it on, and also change the brightness and even the color. So I can control everything from here, right? It's super simple to set it up. You just need to make sure that you have a hub working here in the network. You see that I have this Apple TV as my hub. And it's also important to have your light bulb with this protocol. This is the Matter protocol I have here for this Tapo. You can have other light bulbs working with Matter as well. As long as you have this, you're good to go. Of course, you can use different devices as your hub as well. I'll show here an example of adding a new light bulb from scratch so you see how it works, right? Here is just a demonstration that's working with this one, and then I'm gonna just remove it from here and add a new one. So the idea basically is just to make sure that you have your light bulb working here with your app. I have the Tapo app and the light is working from here, the light bulb, right? I can control from here as well. So that's the first step, and then you go from there. And also important to check here on your device that's acting as a hub that you have it in the same network. You see here, when I come to the settings, I have it here with this network, which is my Wi-Fi -24. That's the router signal. And I have here, if you take a look on my phone, I have the same one. And I also have here for the Tapo device. Okay, so if I come here to this smart light and I check the device info here, I see that I have the same network, right? So basically my cell phone, the light bulb, and the hub are in the same network. Also important to come here to your hub as well, in my case here, the Apple TV, and check here on system that I have the latest update, right? Which I do. So I'm good to go. Now I just need to come here and start the process, right? So let me just show here that I can just remove this one and add a new one that I have available just right here. That's the new one, and it's important as well to make sure that you know which device you have here. You see that has a serial number. Then I know which device I'm putting here, because later you're gonna use the QR code to add your device, okay, to the Apple Home app. So I just put it here. It turns on. When it comes from the seller, it's gonna come like this. It's gonna flash like this, right? It's ready for the setup. So the first thing that I have to do is come here to the Tapo app and add a new device. I'm just come here to the main screen and use this plus signal, add a new device. Here, lights. I just select the model. In my case, that's the one. Let me just make sure. No, that's the one, Tapo L535. Hit next, next again. And now I just wait for the cell phone to find the light bulb. There we go. Found it. And now the cell phone is going to give the information which Wi-Fi the light bulb needs to connect to, right? In this case, it's my Wi-Fi -24 with my password that I use just for testing. Hit next, confirm. And now the light bulb is gonna know which Wi-Fi to connect to and which password to use. There we go, it's flashing back there. Now I can just name here, I can give a name that I want. Let's just name here as lamp. Put it here on my office, next, select an icon, next again, and wait for it to finish. There we go, check firmware, and sounds good. It's important to update the firmware if it's there an update available, otherwise it's not gonna work, right? So I have here the lamp. Let me just make sure that's working. There we go. And now I can come here to the Home app and add a new device, right? This one is no longer working. Let me just remove this one first, so I don't make any confusion here, right? I don't have it here anymore. Then I'm gonna add a new one, add the accessory, and here now it's time to read the QR code for the matter. Let me just make sure that I have the information. I have this light bulb here, so that's the other one. So now it's time to check here the serial number. See that I have the serial number for the one that's back there, and that's the one that I'm gonna use, right? This QR code comes with the device, right? So I just put it here, like so. Wait for it to read it. There we go. It finds as light. Add home, and just wait for the connection. There we go. Now I select the location. That'll be my office. I hit continue, and I can give it a name. Let me just change here to something that's simple, just like this, just like I did for the Tapo one. I'm gonna name it here as lamp as well. Hit continue, and I can do automations. I'm gonna do that later. Gonna just save and finish the setup. And here I have my lamp. Let me just come here and turn it off. Turn it on again, and control here the brightness and the color. Okay, basically working pretty fine, right? So that's basically the way you can have your smart light bulb working here with the Apple Home app. I hope you like this video. I'll leave the link here in the description for the devices that I'm using here. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.